afternoon today.
Oh, you come on in the afternoon?
Yeah, after 2 o'clock we'll be here.
Thanks, man. Alright people, so yes, we are at the Harrow bus station. Yeah man. So this is the Harrow bus station. The next controller that I thought would be here, he's not here. The supervisor. Hello. I like that camera. You like it? Yeah. Yeah? That is cool. That's right, great. It's a GoPro camera. Yeah, I just buy the stick and put it on it. Yes, you like it? Yeah, well, you should get one. GoPro.
Yes, GoPro. Okay.
GoPro, that's the name of the camera. But they're very expensive. They're not cheap.
I know. I know.
If you want a cheap one, you might as well go on
Might as well go to the zoo and feed peanuts to the monkeys.
yeah, you go on the what's it? eBay.
Yeah.
Go on eBay, you might get it cheaper because you might bid and you might win a bid. You know?
Maybe on Amazon as well.
They're very expensive. There's like £300-400 on Amazon.
Yeah, no. Because we are flying out in about 2 days' time.
Okay.
So it would be ideal to have one of those.
Yeah, it will be ideal, but unless you can get it in within 24 hours, because Amazon is a little rip-off place too. You know, Amazon is not good enough.
No, we'll never go.
I cancelled I shut my Amazon account last year because they keep stealing my stuff.
Seriously?
Yeah, and I think it's the delivery drivers, Amazon delivery driver. They are some little thief. They are thief.
Yeah. I mean, we bought how many, about 70-80 items recently.
Yeah.
And everything. And I returned about 10-15 products.
Yeah.
No issues at all.
Right.
That's what I like about the return.
Yeah.
There's no question asked.
Right. They do the return and give you back a refund, but that's not what you want. Because when they do that, I'm waiting on a package to go out to Spain the other day. And when it's time for me to go to Spain, they say the package has been delivered. It's never been delivered up to today. And I had to go to Spain without what I wanted. You understand? So they claim it was delivered. It wasn't delivered. And then they give me back a refund. It's not the refund. It's a mental health situation that they put me in right there. And then very stressful. Yeah. Anyway, you guys have a safe trip where you're going?
We're going to India.
You're going to India. Oh, you have a nice time. It's very warm over there this time, isn't it?
We're going for our festival.
Okay, that's nice. I have a lot of Indian on here down in Southall.
Oh,
yeah, I've been to Southall. You've been to Southall?
That's my hood.
That's your hood, the Southall?
Yeah.
Check my channel out. It's called Mr. X Life in England.
Okay.
And you will see Southall in it.
Oh.
All right, cheers.
Mr. X Life.
Mr. X Life in England. Okay. Yeah. You too, my friend. People running to get their buses. What are you doing? Super loop. So yeah, I was driving out of here yesterday, doing the 340 yesterday. So I'm resting today. That's a 340 there. Okay, so this is the Harrow on the Hill, Harrow bus station. You know them call it Harrow. They call it Harrow on the Hill. So this is what it is. Yes, it is Harrow on the Hill. There's the Harrow on the Hill train station, underground station. Okay, so here it is, Harrow on the Hill. This is Harrow on the Hill underground station. But I'm not going to go up here. Too much steps to go up there. But I mean, like people like train station, so I gotta go up. My viewers and subscribers, they like train stations too as well. So let's go up there and see. So that is it. This is Harrow on the Hill train station. Very small one. In and out. So this is the underground station. So that is it. Harrow on the Hill train underground station. So planned closure from the 20th to Sunday the 26th. Wow. Okay, so that was it inside the Harrow on the Hill train station, yeah? Underground station. That was it. Alright. Oh, some nice big fat red roses. Okay, so here outside again, as even though I tell you about the road work, so there's a lot of redevelopment going on. As you can see, all these stuff, they're probably going to put flowers in them or stuff like that. So it's